Okay, in this category, we want to explain the profile nodes. Distance. The distance, as you can see, if you click and drag in a graph editor, it gets error because it needs something to work. The distance node is for creating a erosion or a slope from the node that create a flat. For example, Iceland or mask. For example, simple mask, you can better see in a mask. This is mask, and in a mask editor, for example, we increase the number of the mask and create something like this. Now, as you can see, it is a mask with a sharp corners and flat. So the distance create a slope from that flat. You can close the editor. This is a mask. Click and drag the mask. As you can see, you can assign it to the mask option or completely input of that. If you bring it to the mask, as you can see, we don't have anything because we have to connect it to the main input. And as you can see, it create a height map. It create a height map that you can see it for a 2D. Enhance it. As you can see, it's creating a slope from that sharp mask. This is our mask. We have nothing. This is a distance. As you can see, it creates a peak from here, a tip, a higher part of the mountain, and then with a smooth thing, we have a slope there. You can see it. And then you can give this height map to any other node that you want. This is our mask. Or you can use apps node that you have to use them other node, or you can use Iceland. All of these nodes are creating a flat. For example, for Iceland, we create something like this, and then we can give it to the distance and create a slope from that. So you get the idea of the distance. If you have a flat node, the distance change it to the mountain, change it to the slope things. That's it. And in its settings, we can increase or decrease of number of that fall off. If you want to more fall off, more smooth, as you can see, we have more a smooth height map from white to black. So you can increase or decrease of number of the threshold. Invert input. As you can see, you can invert your input there, or invert the output, something like that. It's changing the colors. The white area are heights, and the black area are the valleys. And multiply by input if you want. It's very simple. You can doing that. So you learn the distance node is just smoothing out the nodes, especially nodes that's creating a flat area, and it gives you a mountain-like shapes. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.